I have this weird relationship with the X-Men movies. Like, a few of them are rated R, like the best ones are for some reason rated R. I haven't seen those, so I thought, let's just review the best one that isn't rated R.
Please. We need you to hope again.
X-Men Days of Future Past. So X-Men Days of Future Past is technically the 5th X-Men movie. It's also technically the 2nd X-Men movie if you go in chronological order. We live in this... Okay, so it's like years in the future. There's this society, it's completely destroyed. It's this horrible society. And then the X-Men survive and they're being hunted by the 2nd. And then to send Wolverine back in time to stop this future from ever happening. The plot of Terminator 2 always works. Or Terminator 3. Or I guess Genesis. Well, whatever, one of the Terminator movies goes back in time. Alright, let's talk about Hugh Jackman. I think Hugh Jackman's best role to date is still, like, from what I've seen, Logan. This is by far his 2nd best role, because he just kills it as Wolverine. Like, every time someone, like, asks him, where are you from, he just goes, I'm from the future. Like, he doesn't try and make up a lie usually movies do. No, he specifically says he's from the future. And he proves it. Yeah. There's nothing else to say other than X-Men Days of Future Past is amazing. But it does kind of screw up the X-Men timeline. Like, you have... Okay, it's all... X-Men First Class doesn't get changed by this movie, but everything else diverges and gets totally screwed up. X-Men Origin Wolverine was just a bad dream. Woo! Granted, I don't think the Wolverine happened either. I'm not sure. No, if I were to look at the X-Men timeline, technically I guess the Wolverine, the sequel to X-Men Origins Wolverine, happened, but what confuses me is that it didn't happen in that universe, because if it did, then how did... Like, okay, Logan's supposed to take place in, like, 2030, around that time. And it's supposed to take place in the diverging timeline that happens at the end of X-Men Days of Future Past. So, how does Logan fit in there? Where does Wolverine fit in there? I'm gonna need to read a timeline on that. Did you also know the Marvel timeline is screwed up too? Black Panther takes place in late 2015. No, seriously, do the math. It does. James McAvoy's Charles Xavier kills it. I think James McAvoy is Charles Xavier as much as Patrick Stewart is Charles Xavier. Jennifer Lawrence's Mystique also kills it. That guy who plays Magneto, I'm spacing on his name, also kills it. Whoever plays Beast also kills it. And the Quicksilver scene at the beginning of or I guess middle of this movie is awesome in every way. It's awesome. And they recreated it in X-Men Apocalypse. Yay. Because in the end, I like X-Men Days of Future Past more than X2 on every level. It has fantastic acting, fantastic plot. It doesn't get really wonky time travel until you think about it too deeply, how it coordinates with the other X-Men movies. It's a prequel slash reboot slash sequel. It's a fantastic addition of the X-Men movies. It brings together the two timelines. It brings together First Class, which is one of my favorites, and X-Men X2. It combines them two into one awesome movie. Meaning X-Men Days of Future Past deserves a 9. You're probably thinking it's going to be a 10. You're probably thinking I found a flaw in here. No, I didn't. It's just not perfect. It's just that one flaw that it's just not perfect. Alright, so X-Men Days of Future Past. What do you guys think on that film? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. I reviewed this film because I can and I will. We'll see you guys next time.